Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to perform another experiment of series, that is your detection of the adulteration in a edible oil or in a oil. So today the adulteration that we are going to detect is a detection of the castor oil in edible oil. Okay, so first of all, we have to know that what is this adulteration, what is the adulterants. So simply, the adulterants are defined as a substance which are added into the product to decrease its quality and increase in quantity. Okay, the quantity of that product are increases due to the addition of the adulterant, but the quality of the product are decreases. Even sometimes the nutritional value of the product are also decreases, and that adulterant have a harmful health effect. That's why it is very important to detect the adulterant into the food product, and the addition of the adulterant into a food product, that process are known as a adulteration. Okay, so here this our sample are what? Our sample is a edible oil. This is your edible oil, and the adulterant that we are going to detect is a castor oil. Even the castor oil added into a edible oil in a positive way, but sometimes they also have a what? Negative impact on the human body. This castor oil act as a strong laxative effect and also act as a flavoring agent, and it also inhibit the mold growth inside the edible oil. When the mold growth are inhibited, the shelf life of the edible oil increases. But due to the harmful effect of this castor oil are come under the category of the adulterant. Okay, so it cause a stomach upset, uh, abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, and or damage your digestive tract and decreases the nutritional value of the edible oil. So for performing this experiment, we required two chemical. One is your ammonium molybdenate reagent and one is your petroleum ether. Now first of all, we have to prepare that ammonium molybdenate reagent. For the preparation of this reagent, we require two chemical. One is your liquid and one is your solid. The solid chemical that we required is a ammonium molybdenate, and the liquid chemical that we required is a concentrated sulfuric acid. Now when we are handling the concentrated sulfuric acid, we have to take a extra care. We have to wear a proper glove and proper mask when we are preparing this chemical, because this concentrated sulfuric acid may damage your skin, eyes, and burn your skin, and you don't allow to inhale the vapors which are come out from the bottle of the concentrated sulfuric acid, otherwise it will damage your respiratory tract and also cause the irritation inside your digestive tract if it reaches to the digestive tract. Now for the preparation of the ammonium molybdenate reagent, we required 1.25 gram of the ammonium molybdenate, and it will be dissolved into 100 ml of the concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, so this is what this solution are concentrated. This is not a water. Okay, we mix the ammonium molybdenate into a concentrated sulfuric acid. Now for performing this experiment, what we have to do, we take out 1 ml of the oil, and this oil are taken with the help of the micropipette and micropipette tip. We have a 1000 microliter of micropipette, that is called a 1 ml, and we have a micropipette tip, and also we have a measuring cylinder, and one more thing that we required is a dropper. Okay, dropper is also required for performing this experiment. Now what we have to do, we take a 1 ml of oil into a beaker and add 10 ml of the petroleum ether. Then we mix it properly by shaking it. Then we add a 1 to 2 drop of this ammonium molybdenate reagent, and if the castor oil are present, then the instant turbidity are appear, which indicate that the presence of the castor oil into a edible oil. Now let's start the experiment. First of all, we have to take this 1 ml of the oil sample. Now put it into the beaker. Then after that, we have to take a 10 ml of the petroleum ether with the help of the measuring cylinder. Now put it into again into the beaker. Then mix it properly. Shake it vigorously so that it will mix properly like this. Now after that, we have to add a 2 drop of ammonium molybdenate. 1, 2. Now again mix it properly. If this solution, if the turbidity are formed, then it means that the castor oil are present. See, there is no turbidity or foam, which indicate that our edible oil are not contaminated with any type of the castor oil. So this is all about the detection of the castor oil in an edible oil. I hope you will understand, but if you have any query related to this experiment, you are freely to ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail, you can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms. That is your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn. And subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play. You can also visit our website, that is your www.itlsacademy.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.